Look at this little girl, squeaky girl. Patay. Patay, nito ka. Look, she's waiting on me. Look at that. Squeaky girl. Weak. Yes, my darling, I'm making you right now. On the way. Can't wait to get the rest of my pets back. I'm just sure if I prove this.
Girl, who the fuck is we? I ain't doing that shit, so you ain't talking about me.
This is little Roadrunner. I caught him trying to run through my room. Aren't you beautiful? Yes, you are, darling. Okay, I'm gonna try to make a chicken smile. What a little smile. Okay, why did the chicken cross the road? So avoid a second debate with Kamala Harris. Ah! Hi there, I'm Trista. And as a shout out to the cat ladies, and a thank you to Taylor Swift for the boost in voter registration. Alright, girlfriends. I've got some kitty cat centric artwork that I did. This is